Okay guys, this is a quick review of how to write an equation given the slope and the y-intercept. First, I want to remind you that y equals mx plus b is slope-intercept form, and that the m is actually your slope. Oh, let's change that to a different color. M is your slope, and b is your y-intercept. You might want to write this down somewhere if you don't remember it. Guys, the number next to your x is your slope. The number without the x is your y-intercept. So, given that information, we're going to look at a problem from IXL. Your first IXL assignment that you have, it's giving you, it does it in stages. So the first one says a line has a slope of 5 and a y-intercept of -4. So it's telling me I have a slope of 5 and a y-intercept of -4. Right, what is the equation in slope-intercept form? If I wrote it as y equals mx plus b, I would write y equals, the slope is 5x, and it's a -4, so we quit writing plus negative because that's, we've learned that that means the same thing. So now we literally just put the -4. And if you notice up here, it already has your x and all this information pre-filled for you. So all you actually have to put in those blanks at this time for this one is you put your slope number in here and then the number of the y-intercept. All right, so as you get further along, the structure is going to change where it doesn't give you as much help. So it'll give you like there is a line whose slope is 5/2 and whose y-intercept is -9. What is the equation in slope-intercept form? You are expected to put y equals in your slope, which is 5/2. You have to put your x in there, and then your y-intercept is -9, so -9. All of the information is given to you here. You just have to fill it in and put it in the right form. And then the second IXL assignment you have will be all, or set up all like this, because the first one is an 8th grade review, the second one is a 9th grade assignment.